Okay. Right. There we are. Good morning. Morning. It's literally fucking afternoon. I hope everyone's doing well. Quick update. Can't remember if I told you guys we are on night shift again, which means that we start at 3:30 and finish quite late. The time is currently 2:30. I start rehearsals at 3:30, but I thought I would just head over just now. There was like a massive rain downpour earlier on. It's all dried up now, but I was concerned that I was going to be walking across to rehearsals in the rain. Thankfully I'm not. Yeah, we're currently doing life at the moment. We've learned most of the numbers. There's not very much left to learn. And then we've got our new male dancer is arriving today, I believe. And then we'll have to start teaching him things to set him into all the shows that we've learned so far before we learn Feel the Funk. He knows Ray, which is one of our little pop-up party numbers, but he doesn't know anything else yet, so we will need to teach him that. So yeah, another day of life, another day of running the numbers that we've learned so far, and our office run is approximately 2 weeks away. I don't know if you can see. Can you see that mammoth bitch over there? Do you see him? Where is he? There he is. Wowzers. Okay, there's one smaller one up ahead. It's gonna lose its shit when I get close to it, watch. Oh no, he doesn't give a shit. Okay guys, so I've just finished editing one of the vlogs. We were sat having breakfast. We're on the night, and this
I wanted to say that. No.
I'll cut it.
No.
Look at you.
I'm just playing games.
Always playing games. And you.
I just wanna cry.
And you love it. Cuts and bruises everywhere.
It's so cute. I've never seen it before.
Why are you angry right now?
Yeah, just one sec.
He's playing a game. He's not playing the music.
Well, unless did someone want to hand me their phone?
I was just like,
No, I
felt like you
no.
were
Well,
like-
then do Chloe's phone.
my
Because
phone. Yeah, Chloe, you have great photos.
We are. Oh, we are heading to guys. Okay, so we are going to Wynwood to go for brunch. We'll update you guys when we get there. It's a bit of a drive. So yeah, we're in the taxi. Okay, you ready? Go that way a wee bit. A little bit more. Just because I don't want the window.
To be fair, I thought as a fun surprise for Brad, he really wants a salty donut and he couldn't come today, and it's only like a 10-minute walk from here, so I wanted to bring him back a donut.
Yeah.
They're like specialty donuts. You guys should get one. They're really like. Sounds like I can get back my own.
Guys, are you joking? That's so good. My camera sometimes does not want to be on the right.
I love when the sun is out, the music is good.
Salty. Good evening, everyone. Happy Saturday. What's been going on? I can't even remember last time I actually picked you guys up. Basically, the dealio is we have been running live for the past couple days, doing full runs of the show. We did 2 today. First one for me was not the best. Second one was a bit better. And tonight we were originally going to go to Cheesecake Factory, the 4 boys in the apartment. But we have been trying to go to I think it's like an aerial kind of like show, cabaret show, at Baina, something along those lines in Miami. And we managed to get tickets tonight, so we're gonna go to that instead of going for dinner. So that's the 4 boys in the apartment that are going to that. And one of the boys' friends is also coming. So they're gonna pick us up, which is super handy. It means we don't need to pay crazy money for a taxi, and then we're getting picked up at 9 tonight. It is currently 7:20, and we're getting picked up at 9, and then heading there for the show to start at 10:30. So super exciting. I will see. I don't know if I'll be allowed to film or not, but if I can, I'll definitely insert some clips. Sending you guys loads of love. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm super tired. I've just got into bed. We just got back, and I will update you guys tomorrow, but you will have seen the footage. Look how crazy my hair is. Yeah, sending you guys loads of love. What a great day that was, or a great night, should I say. And I will update you guys more in the morning. Oops, that's my ego. Oops. Okay, so things happened, you know. We did something naughty and we bought an iPad, so we're just gonna open it. And have a look. You can't even see. But I don't want you to. That'll do. Okay. Here she is. She's silver. There she is, folks. Don't mind me with this freaking headband. Good morning, afternoon, evening, who even knows at this point. Welcome back. Yeah, today is office run day for live. So we're still on night shift. We are heading in at 2:30 to do warm up, run the show. We've got about a 45-minute break, and then our office run. I'll take you guys along. I will take you guys along, obviously, but yeah, I thought I would just jump on beforehand and update you guys, sending you guys loads of love. Wow. Welcome back. I've not done my hair yet.
Welcome back. It's office run day.
Time to do life. It's a bit better. It'll do. just now waiting. We have T minus 20 minutes until the office run. You ready? You too. Let's go, bitch.
I'm dead.
I'm already tired, girl. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's
Nice
go.
guy.
This is the reality of mid-office run. Everyone is so out of breath. Whew. Work. Good evening. I hope everyone's doing good. Let me pop. Oh god. Can I pop you here? Is this like appropriate? I'm gonna quickly update you guys. Basically, I've not filmed all like fucking week. I can't lie, because not that much has been happening. But it is Saturday again. We have been running Feel the Funk runs, and yeah, we did one today. Marge from my first cast came to watch, and some of her cast, which was cute. And yes, that was fun. Our office run is on Monday, so oh my god, I feel like I've got a hair there. Our office run's on Monday. Today, tonight, I'm just gonna chill, go to deck 2, the usual. But we are going for soft serve ice cream first, which I cannot wait for. Just made myself a little dinner, microwave meal, and then we're gonna go and do the soft serve and then come back, hang out with everyone. Say goodbye to Marge and that because they leave tomorrow and I've got really close with her cast, so I want to spend some last time with them. What else to tell you? Debating tomorrow, getting up super early, going to the beach and watching the sunrise. So if that is the next clips, then you will know that I've done that. Otherwise, I want to try and come up with another plan to actually make the most, because this is our last weekend. This is our last Sunday tomorrow. And then on Thursday next week, we go to the ship. So that will be a separate vlog for you guys. But yeah, sending you guys loads of love and I hope you guys are all well. Good morning guys, I hope everyone's well. It is Sunday morning. It's 6:30, just after 6:30, and I am at the beach to see what the sunrise looks like. Let's see, because it's a bit cloudy. But yeah, the sunrise is meant to be at 6:54, but it's like already bright. And I don't know if I'm just going crazy, but I thought that it wouldn't be light at all until the sunrise. But yeah, I'm at Sunny Isle. I'm gonna do this and then go get something to eat and head when it opens to Target to collect some bits and bobs. There's cruise ships going in and out, round and round. Currently, yeah, I will let you guys see the sunset when it starts to happen. Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. It is our last week in the studios. I say a week like that because we do leave on Thursday. But yeah, it is Monday, Feel the Funk office run day. This morning I'm meeting my friend for Pura Vida, and then this afternoon we have a run before our office run. I think the plan this evening, I will keep you posted, is to go to Topgolf, which should be fun. I've not been before, so that will be a good laugh. And yeah, then we're in tomorrow, busy day tomorrow, doing lots of bits before we have a day off on Wednesday and then we leave. So yeah, sending you guys loads of love. Let's do this. Okay. I can't even remember if I introduced today, like if I came on today. I think I did come on this morning. But I didn't film any when I went to Pura Vida or that. I am now just heading back to the studios. I've been in the studios early afternoon doing a run, and now we are heading back to do our office run. I Feel the Funk, which is our final office run, and then we have one more day of rehearsals, and then we are off to the ship. So yeah, I will see what footage I can get. Obviously I'll get some footage from the actual office run. But otherwise, sending you guys loads of love.
They're cute.
Oh, come on, slick hair. Slick Rick. You ready? I don't think I ever got my hair sprayed back from Darren. I can't.
You what?
I went. How you feel? Woof. Woof.
My famous motherfuckers. Hi, Mom.
How do you taste it?
Hi, was the first people that was with us, right? Did it happen?
What? Oh, sorry.
I don't know. It like moves its head.
Because you moved this probably. Oh, we're zooming in.